Powerful, lightweight, no gas, no oil. Introducing Toro's line of electric snowblowers. Perfect for decks, steps, walkways, and even small driveways. With Toro's innovative controls and throwing technology, it's no wonder that they are the #1 brand of electric snowblowers in the U.S. The Power Shovel has a 12-inch width and a powerful 7.5 amp motor that throws the snow up to 20 feet. It's simple to operate, and its handles can be adjusted for any operator. When you're done, it can be easily stored and takes up no more room than a shovel. The 1800 Power Curve is built to handle larger areas and deeper snow. With its 18-inch clearing width and powerful 15-amp motor, it can clear small driveways and throw snow up to 30 feet. The innovative zip deflector and remote chute control direct snow exactly where you want it. So if you're looking for an easy-to-use, low-maintenance snowblower, look no further than the #1 brand of electric snowblowers in the U.S. Toro. Count on it.
Get your Joe and let it snow with the Snow Joe 323E 13-inch electric snow shovel. Clearing snow is now more fun and less fuss. The perfect size for decks, steps, and walkways. The Snow Joe 323E is ideal for quick snow pickups in tight spaces, packed with a powerful 10-amp motor. Snow Joe 323E moves up to 400 pounds of snow per minute, and its durable 2-blade paddle auger throws snow up to 20 feet away, clearing up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches deep with each pass. And when you have even more snow, just give it another go. Start from the top and work your way down until you clear a path to the ground. Snow Joe 323E has a unique, patented back-saving design and adjustable handle to maximize comfort and minimize strain. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to transport and simple to store. Hang it from a garage hook, or for more convenient access, store it inside a hall closet so you can quickly clear a path out the door and to your car on a snowy morning. Snow Joe 323E is your reliable winter tool for quick and easy snow removal. No gas and oil to mix, no nasty fumes to inhale, no finicky starters or costly seasonal tune-ups. With just the simple push of a button, Snow Joe 323E starts instantly every time you need it. And every Snow Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. This winter, when it comes to snow, go with Joe. The Snow Joe 323E 13-inch electric snow shovel. Get equipped. When it comes to snow, go with Joe. When winter strikes, fight back with ION, the revolutionary rechargeable hybrid snow shovel that combines the power of a battery with the performance of a plug for limitless snow blasting power. Snow Joe's exclusive hybrid technology allows you to quickly and easily switch from electric power when you need it to battery power when you don't, to blast your way past the limits of the extension cord and dare to go where no electric has gone before. A dusting on the deck? Choose the 40-volt cordless battery pack. Great for a quick sweep where the cord won't cut it. Just grab and go for up to 52 minutes of whisper quiet runtime. More snow on the walkway? Plug it in, turn it on, and dig out. Choose corded 15-amp electric power, ideal for unlimited runtime with larger cleanups. At just under 15 pounds, ION's lightweight enough to easily maneuver, yet still packs a powerful punch, moving up to 7 tons of snow on a single charge. Quickly clear paths 13 inches wide by 6 inches deep, and throw snow up to 25 feet away. And every ION's backed by a full 2-year warranty. Hybrid technology means never having to run out of power or options when winter strikes. So when it comes to snow, go with Joe and experience the eco-friendly power of the gas-free ION hybrid snow shovel.
ultimate grab-and-go snow busting tool, 24V SS11XR from Snow Joe. Combining innovation and functionality, Snow Joe provides an easy, convenient, and cordless solution to get snow out of your way this winter. Powered by Snow Joe's exclusive Ion Plus 24-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery system, 24V SS11XR delivers up to 27 minutes of battery runtime to quickly clear snow from your porch, patio, driveway, and deck, minus the hassle and headaches or tangled cords. The light choice is the right choice with Snow Joe. Weighing less than 10 pounds, 24V SS11XR shreds up to 2,025 pounds of snow per charge, while the dual-handle design eliminates the need to bend and strain, maximizing user comfort and ease of use. Equipped with a heavy-duty 2-blade paddle auger, Snow Joe throws snow up to 20 feet away, clearing 11-inch wide by 7-inch deep path with each pass. And the durable scraper blade at the base of the unit lets you clear to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. And when the work's done, simply plug the battery pack in again so it's recharged and ready for the next snowfall for the ultimate and cord-free convenience. So when it comes to snow, go with Joe. The 24V SS11XR 24-volt 5-amp cordless snow shovel from Snow Joe. Get equipped.